Good morning. In the previous lecture, we have learned how to subset and sort a data frame to extract interesting bits. In this video, we will learn how to add or delete new column. When you first receive your data frame, the contents are not exactly what you want. If your dataset doesn't have the exact column you need, you can often make your own from what you have. You can create from scratch or derive from another column. This is called mutate a data frame or transform a data frame and feature engineering. Here you see a data frame that looks like what we have used before in calculating body mass index. Each person or each observation consists of weight and height. Person 1 has weight value and height value. Person 2 has weight value and height value. If you decided to add new column that is BMI calculated from weight and height, all you need to do just type this sentence. Okay? Here you need to select or zoom in weight column divided by height column squared. Okay, if you write here name for column that doesn't exist in the data frame, it means that you need to add a new column with the name BMI. Okay, after executing this statement, you see here a column called BMI. It is the weight value divided by the height squared. After this, you can process or make something on your dataset normal, like here. If you want to subsetting rows that have BMI index greater than 30, you will see here observation with BMI greater than 30. If you want to sort rows according to this statement, okay, you will write this statement. If you need to add new column from scratch, you will write my data like city. Okay, if you need to add column with city equal to, and put here a list. Okay, in this list you will write all the city related to person 1 or person 2 and person 3, etc. Okay, after this there is a column added to your dataset. If you want to put value, okay, for every person in your dataset, you just here recall what is called broadcast. Here you need to add a column called group ID with the value a character. Okay. Look here, we didn't write many A's, only write one. And Python will understand that you need to broadcast this value to all observation in your dataset. Okay, we learn how to add new column, but what about how to delete a column? If you want to delete a column, just write the instruction del and subset your column. Here you want to delete the city column, so type del my data of city, and you will see here that city column is deleted. This is the references we have used in preparing this lecture. Thank you for listening, and please, if you like the content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.